Hey, did you know that you can use Facebook ads to hire employees? Yes, it's very powerful, especially for small businesses. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process to use Facebook as a job board, and you can advertise that job opportunity as well. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. So I'm gonna go to one of our Facebook pages that we manage, and we do have, let me resize this, a job post. So we're gonna go to this Bang Bang Club, which is one of our the pages that we manage. And if you scroll down, so one of the things that on this new Facebook layout that rolled out a few months ago, it's been a while now. If you scroll down, you're gonna see this section called Manage Job. So you can create a job. If you're hiring, for example, right here, we did create a job, and this business is looking for a new DJ. So we have hiring a DJ, and we already got, let's see, 2 job applications, which is right here. If you look at this, so we already got 2 applications. That's awesome. All right, now let me show you how to create a job post like this, and also how to use Facebook ads to advertise that. Okay, so what you're gonna do is on this left-hand side, yes, it's left. Yes, it's left. You are gonna click on Manage Job. So right now we have one job, which is right here, which is open. And I'll show you this in a second, and we already got 2 applications. Awesome. If you wanna create a brand new job, there's a button called Create Job. You'll click on that, and it's very straightforward. You're gonna put your job title, and then the location of your business, and then you're looking for full-time, part-time, description of your job, what's the salary range, minimum hour, how do you pay, salary type, and then any questions you want people to answer, you can do that here as well. And also, if you want to receive applications by email, you can put your email here. And then you can add, this is, right now, it's a default image. It's pulling from the cover image of this page, but you can always upload an image from your computer. Super straightforward. And then when you are done, just hit next, and your job will be live. And the cool thing is, the job becomes live on your Facebook page, and also the kind of like a job board on Facebook, and that's how people can find and apply. Now, let me show you. So I'm going to X out. It's very straightforward. Let's look at inside this job. We did create this job and then also boosted this, meaning we have a Facebook ad running to promote this job, which we just launched. So if I click on Edit Job, or I'll just click on this. So this is what the job looks like. View promotion. So right now, this means we have we did boost this job. So there's a Facebook ad behind this. If it wasn't, I think you will probably see a button called Boost here. So it's part-time and very simple details, nothing complicated. And we just said, we're looking for a DJ for this business. And then email is hidden right now. And then it's posted to 2 locations on the page, this page, and then also jobs on Facebook, which means Facebook's public job board. Super simple. Let me go back and show you how the ad, once you post your job, you're gonna click on that boost button, and then if I look at the promotion, view promotion, this is what this looks like. This is how we are promoting. So right now it's only been, the ad's only been up for a day, so we only spent $2 and only reached the 165. And then here's the engagement and everything. Here's the audience, who we are reaching, and the placement and location. Obviously, it's going to be Texas because that's what we selected. And then here's the other, it's active, daily budget. So we're only spending $3 per day. That's not a lot for 4 days. And if I wanted to, here's other details about this. If I want to view the ad, I'll click on this, and this is what the ad looked like. Super simple. We're as an image, we're using the inside of this location, and super simple copy. You can obviously add more requirements, more details, and then people are able to, it's already generating some shares and comments and engagement, which is cool. This is what people see, and they'll be able to click on apply now and apply for the job. Now, let's click on edit ad, because there's one thing that I want to point out. Once you create a job and you click on that boost button, you're going to come to this page, because this is the edit ad or create an ad page, right? The important thing is you have to select the special ad category. Ads on Facebook, if they're about credit, employment, housing, social issues, or politics, you have to select that. So in this case, if you don't select this, your ad will be rejected. So in this case, we have selected, it's an employment ad, so we're letting Facebook know. So we did select that. Now what happens is, if you select that, some of the settings, for example, for employment ads, you cannot select, I believe, the gender. You cannot target by the zip code. So there's some restriction that Facebook gives you, but you have to select a special ad if your ad qualifies for that. So our targeting is super broad right now. It's that business location and 30-mile radius, and then it's a huge audience. And then let's look at other. Here's the end date. We're spending $3 per day. Again, very small budget. And then here's how many people we have reached. Here's what the ad looked like. Very straightforward. And if you make any changes, just click on Save Changes. It'll go to, or if this is the first time, you'll click on, I believe, Submit Ad, and then your ad will go in the approval process. Again, just to recap, step number 1 is you're going to go to Manage Jobs and create a job, and then your job, once it becomes open, it'll show right here, and then you'll click on, instead of View Promotion, I believe you're going to see Boost or Advertise, right? One of those options. So you'll click on that and then create an ad. Do make sure you tell Facebook it's a special ad and employment category, because otherwise your ad will be rejected. So this is how you can create jobs on Facebook and hire people. Very powerful for small businesses. And then also you can advertise, you can boost those job posts, or you can use Facebook ads to reach more people so you can get more applications. Super simple. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.